Hi, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to generate GST reports and lodge your GST through MYOB, or else how to generate the GST reports and pay as you go withheld, send it to your accountant if you have a BAS agent lodging your GST. Okay, let's just get started. So this is a demo client that I'm going to demonstrate. So once you come to your dashboard, you can go on to reporting, reports. At this stage we will assume that you have successfully allocated bank transactions accordingly, saying GST or non-GST. So once you do that for the last quarter, which is for March, because as today is the 25th of April, so you would come to GST report here, and last financial quarter, that's the 1st of January 2025 to 31st of March. So in this report what you can read is, you can see how much GST you've collected from sales. So this is the GST component from sales, and the non-reportable and the GST free component. So there's drop down for each, see what are those transactions are. And so you've collected 20,678. At the same time you've paid GST 13,521. so the difference is what you need to pay to the ATO. So that is about 7,156 for the March quarter. So if you have a BAS agent or an accountant, so you would export this report in a PDF and send it to them. If you do have employees, along with this GST report, you will have to send the pay as you go withholding report as well. Before we generate the pay as you go withholding, so you should know you are cash or accrual basis when you lodge your GST. So you need to select that from here, accounting method, cash or accrual, and then based on that you can generate the report. So you go back to reports to generate the pay as you go withholding requirement. So you go on to roll reports under that payroll activity, hit on that, and the last quarter, 1st of January to 31st of March, we've paid employees 60,000, and the taxes for that 60,000 is 8,338. so this plus the GST, and if you have as you go installments tax, that also comes along, but your accountant will know all the details for the installment, so you don't need to worry about it. So you can generate this report from PDF here, and you can send it to your accountant to lodge the GST and the wages tax. If you do not have an accountant, or you want to lodge it by yourself from MYOB, so you have to register yourself. So you have to register your software to ATO, and then you can just create new and then decide which period it is, and then so quarterly January to March, hit next, check all the accounting method, if it's accrual, or you can go on to report settings and you can make the changes if you want. So we did these changes when we initially set up, so no need to double check. So you can hit on next, and okay, so this is what we saw earlier, so you know the figures, and then you go on next, and then lodge it, save, and then lodge it. So the status here will say as lodged when you do the lodgement. So it's that simple. It's how you lodge your GST and pay as you go withholding. So yeah, so if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section and I will get back on that. And thank you very much for sticking along. I'll see you in the next one.